Good morning, day 21 of 75 Hard. It's now legal. You know, perspective is funny when you're young. So if you're young and you're watching this, when I say young, like under 30, and you say you slept in, that usually means you slept till like 9, 10, 11. You know, I got a teenage son, maybe noon. But when you get older, not old, when you get older, sleeping in's like 7. I woke up at 7 this morning. I feel like I slept for 40 years. It's fantastic. I feel all refreshed and rested, and you know, we went out to eat last night and made all the healthy choices. So I didn't wake up feeling bloated and disgusting. It's interesting to me, you know? I don't know. I guess when you wake up at 4 o'clock every morning, then you sleep till 7. I mean, that's 3 hours. It's 3 extra hours of sleep. That is sleeping in. I don't hate it. I'm gonna crush this day. Y'all make good choices. I'll see y'all later. Day 21, all the tasks are done, all the things are done. This was another weekend day, which so far I have found delays things a little bit because the wife and the toddler and I ran some errands this afternoon, and I didn't feel like peeing 15 times while we were out. So I just waited until later to drink the other part of my water. So hopefully it's all out of my system before we go to bed. As you can hear, it's witching hour here in the Zalmanoff household. Our crazy little toddler. He's awesome though. We definitely want him to get all his energy out before we go to bed. But food is prepped. Things are ready. Most of my protein's cooked for the week. I got all the stuff planned. It's gonna be another great week. And and hopefully lots of that this week as well. Y'all have a great night. Keep making good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.